Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about ELIwel 10mg tablet. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Ltd. ELIwel 10mg tablet. Uses. ELIwel 10mg tablet is used in the treatment of depression. It helps manage symptoms that affect mood, sleep, and daily functioning. Benefits. In the treatment of depression, ELIwel 10mg tablet helps relieve symptoms by increasing the levels of mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain. It improves mood, reduces feelings of sadness or hopelessness, and enhances sleep quality. When taken consistently as prescribed by a doctor, it can significantly improve daily functioning and overall quality of life. Side effects. Like all medicines, ELIwel 10mg tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. These may include constipation, dryness of mouth, sleepiness, dizziness, headache, fatigue, or confusion. Most side effects are mild and temporary, but if they persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. Take ELIwel 10mg tablet in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not chew, crush, or break it. This medicine may be taken with or without food. How it works. ELIwel 10mg tablet contains amitriptyline, a tricyclic antidepressant. It works by increasing natural brain chemicals such as serotonin and noradrenaline, which help improve mood and reduce anxiety. This action helps relieve depression and stabilize emotions.